Welcome back, Data Warriors. You're watching Let's Talk About Data. This is episode 3 of our weekly data science project series, dropping every Saturday at 7 p.m. CET. Today, we're diving into something that fascinates everyone: stock market analysis using Python. We'll uncover trends, identify patterns, and visualize stock performance using historical data. Whether you're a finance enthusiast or a curious analyst, this project has real-world applications and serious learning value. Here's what we'll cover in this project: loading historical stock data, data cleaning and time series formatting, moving averages and Bollinger bands, correlation with other stocks, visualizations with Matplotlib and Plotly. For this project, you'll need Python, Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab, yFinance, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly. Internet connection to fetch live stock data using the Finance API. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every command. Let's begin by importing the required libraries and fetching stock data from Yahoo Finance. We'll use Yahoo Finance API to fetch historical data for Apple Incorporated, AAPL. Boom! You've got all the data you need to begin analysis. We'll now clean the data and plot key trends. Plot closing price over time. Add a 50-day and 200-day moving average. Visualize Bollinger bands. let's see how Apple correlates with other tech stocks like Microsoft or Tesla. This gives you insights into portfolio diversification. You've just learned how to do real-world stock trend analysis using Python, from pulling the data to building insights. This kind of analysis is useful in finance, investment analytics, fintech startups, and data storytelling. So go ahead and try this project yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow learners, and hit that subscribe button. Next week, we're going deeper with house price prediction using linear regression, a beginner-friendly but powerful project in real estate analytics. Also, if you built this project, share it online with the hashtag Let's Talk About Data, and tag me. I'd love to feature your work. See you next Saturday at 7 p.m. CET. Until then, stay curious and keep coding.